Solve this quadratic equation, which is x squared minus 8x plus 15 equals 0. For one, what makes this a quadratic equation, the highest power is 2. Okay, that 2x squared, that makes this quadratic. It's the highest power in this whole equation. And this form right here is the standard form where you have the squared, then to the first power, then to the 0 power, because it just goes in order. This is the standard form. Now to solve this, you could do one of two ways, but in this video, I'm going to use factoring and the zero product property. So first, to factor it, I use the diamond method. Alright, this equation, the diamond method means you want this number right here and this number. We need two numbers that multiply to get this one, but add up to get this one, and include the signs. So don't just say they add up to get 8, they add up to get -8, and they multiply to get 15. So the factors I know of 15 are just 3 and 5. And the good thing is that 3 plus 5 does equal 8. But that's positive 8. So we gotta make both of those numbers negative, which is fine because a negative number times another negative number is still gonna give me that positive 15. With that being said, 3 and 5 equal 15. I'm sorry, -3 times -5 equals 15. And then -3 plus -5 equals -8. So, -3 and -5 are the numbers. Oh, I'm sorry, I never wrote it. -8 and 15. That's what we was looking at. They both multiply to get that. Put multiplication symbol. And they both add to get that. Just so you can, yeah. And there we go. So the diamond method, that's how I factor. And what we get from this is that x plus 15 times x. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry, I wrote that wrong. That is not x plus 15. X minus 3 times x minus 5. I was like, why that look so weird? Y'all forgive me. Okay, because the numbers we just said were -3, -5. So x minus 5 because it's -5, x minus 3 because it's -3. And these are factors, so they multiply by each other, equal 0. Okay, now what the zero product property says is that a times b equals 0. And because of that, then either a or b has to be 0. So, like, say this is A, right? And say this is B. We're saying that this times this equals 0. So according to the zero product property, write that out so you know what I'm saying. According to that, that times that equals 0. So one of these gotta at least be equal to 0. Maybe not both of them, but at least one has to be equal to 0 because you know 0 times anything will give you 0. With that being said, that means that the answer to this quadratic equation would either be 5 or 3. Why 5 or 3? X minus 5 equals 0. We're going to set this whole part right here equal to 0. And you just get x equals 5. Same thing with this one. We're going to set this equal to 0. X minus 3 equals 0. You just get x equals 3. So this is the factor, but the actual x value is usually the opposite sign because when you set it equal to 0, it just changes the sign. That's it. So by using the zero product property and factoring, we get that the solutions to this quadratic equation is either x equals 5 or x equaled 3.